Time to feed the birds. Are you ready?
Yeah!
You ready to feed the birds?
Yeah!
To open this first. Hey, we went to Dollarama and we found this bird feeder for $3 and the bird seeds were almost $2.
Yung glove, my glove.
No, use your gloves.
Huh?
Use your gloves. Okay, let's pour it. No. We have to pour it. Yeah, like this. Can you do it? Ooh, there it goes. No, don't pour it everywhere. Don't put it everywhere, just a little bit. Who's gonna eat it, Itty?
Birds.
Oh no. You ready? Okay. We have to close it.
Hang it?
Hang it, yeah. It's closed. Hold on. Hold on. Is it closed? Where are we going to hang it? Okay, wait. Put it down first. We have to pick a spot. Where do you want to hang it? Inside there? Oh, the bird's gonna go in there. Come this way. We're gonna hang it over here, baby. Up here. We have a line. Yeah. Ready? Okay, let's hang it right here. Let's see. Up here? Look up. Look up, look up. Here?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
On the floor.
Is it gonna fall? Oh my goodness. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel at the bottom. Is it ready?